So now we have completed up to what is normality, what is molarity. फंडामेंटल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू हम लोग कवर कर लेते हैं. व्हाट इज नॉर्मलिटी, व्हाट इज मोलारिटी. वी विल कंटिन्यू इन डिटेल्स regarding normality and molarity. What do we know? Normality is equals to, that means normality that is equals to number of gram equivalent per Vs in liter, that has to be 1. How it can be 1? If number of gram equivalent is 1, volume of the solution in liter is 1, then automatically normality will be 1. That means when 1 gram equivalent of solute is dissolved in 1 liter of the solution, or prepared 1 liter of the solution, that solution is 1N solution, one normal solution or 1N solution. Similarly, molarity, that is equals to number of moles or volume of the solution in liter, that is, this will be 1. That is, if 1 mole of the solute is in 1 liter of the solution, then that will result 1 molar solution. Here it is resulting 1 normal solution, here it is resulting 1 molar solution. Simple difference. Then regarding this one, we will go in further. That is, as 1 normal solution is, or 1 normal solution is nothing but 1 gram equivalent per 1 liter. So I can write also number of gram equivalent, that's equals to normality into Vs liter. Similarly, number of moles, that's equals to molarity into Vs liter. Right? Then if I am writing number of milli equivalents of the solute, this is nothing but of the solute, that is equals to normality into Vs milliliter, and number of millimoles is nothing but molarity into Vs ml. Then let it be, I am writing, if I am establishing a relationship between number of gram equivalent, number of milli equivalents, number of gram equivalent is equals to normality into Vs liter. So that is number of gram equivalent means number of milli equivalents will be, number of milli equivalents will be greater, should be greater with respect to number of gram equivalents. So that's why number of milli equivalents equals to 10 to the power 3 into number of gram equivalents. How? Because gram equivalent is a bigger unit, milli equivalents is a smaller unit. So it is asking number of milli equivalents. So it should be more. So how it can be? Number of milli equivalents equals to 10 to the 3 or 1000 number of gram equivalent. And as similar as number of millimoles, that equals 10 to the 3 into number of moles. Let it be. I am giving a question. volume 0.2 dm cube, that is of CaOH2, right? So first we are taking what is molarity. I can take, that is molarity is equals to, first option B, molarity is equals to how much? Zero 0.05. So definitely number of moles will be molarity into Vs in liter, that's equals to molarity 0.05 into Vs in liter is how much? 0.2 liter, 0.1 d equals to 1 liter. So how much it is? 10 into 10 to the power minus 3, that is 10 to the minus 2, 0.01 moles. 0.01 moles. So definitely number of millimoles, how much? Molarity into Vs milliliter, that's how much? 0.05 into 0.2 into 10 to the power 3. So definitely it will be 10 millimoles. So here we can interrelate these two, that is 10 millimoles and 0.01 moles. Which one is greater? Definitely greater is millimoles. This is larger with respect to this one. Right? Now, then number of gram equivalent. Gram equivalent, how the gram equivalent can be found out? So first we have to take E. So E के लिए हम लोग को पहले निकालना पड़ेगा नॉर्मलिटी. नॉर्मलिटी क्या है? और we can write gram equivalent, number of gram equivalent is equals to normality into Vs liter, or you can write mass divided by what? Equivalent mass. It is also can count. Now molarity we know, that is W into 1000 divided by W into 1000 divided by what? Equivalent molecular mass into Vs ml, that's equals to molarity is how much? 0.05. Implies that mass of the solute, that will be how much? That is 0.05 into molecular mass of what? Molecular mass of COH2, that is nothing but 74. That is nothing but 74. So definitely it will be 74 it will be 74 into, one of the solution is 0.2 into 10 to the power 3, right, divided by 1000. So it is cancelled. How much it is? That is 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 74. that is how much? 74 10 to the minus 2, 0.74. 0.74 gram. 0.74 gram. If mass of the solute is 0.74, and that is the answer for mass of the solute, G. Right? So what is the number of gram equivalent? Gram equivalent is mass of the solute by equivalent mass. So equivalent mass as CaOH2 is a what? CaOH2 is a what? It is a base. So as it is a base, so base के लिए equivalent mass is equals to molar mass by acidity. So acidity for CaOH2 is how much? 2. Number of replaceable hydroxyl ion is 2. So 2. So that's why mass is 0.74 divided by equivalent mass is how much? 74 divided by 2. Molar mass by acidity. So that's equals to 0.74 into 2 divided by 74, which is 100. This is how much? 2 by 100 means 0.02 gram equivalents. 0.02 gram equivalents. Right? 0.02 gram equivalents. So last one is F. Number of milli equivalents. Number of milli equivalents is how much? Number of milli equivalents is nothing but normality into Vs milliliter, or it can be also that is 10 to the power 3 into number of gram equivalents. That is nothing but 1000 into gram equivalent 0.02. That is how much? 20 milli equivalents. Okay. So answer how much? Normality will be how much? If I am taking normality, that is what? Normality, A answer is normality is equals to W into 1000 by equivalent mass into Vs ml. That is how much? 0.74 into 1000 divided by equivalent mass is 74 by 2 into how much? 0.2 into 10 to the power 3. So this is cancelled out. This is cancelled out. So this is 0.1. So this is 100 means how much? 100 that is 10. So 0.1 n normality. Or in other way, that is equals to number of milli equivalents by VSML, or number of gram equivalent by VS liter. Milli equivalents कितना है? 20 by 0.2 into 10 to the power 3. Right now, so same answer. Gram equivalent कितना हुआ? Gram equivalent कितना हुआ? Number of gram equivalent कितना हुआ? 0.02. 0.02 by VS liter कितना? 0.2. कितना हुआ? That is 0.1. Okay, same answer. But this question can be, I am just writing the answers. Normality by molarity, that is equals to W into 1000 by what? Equivalent mass into Vs ml into molecular mass into Vs ml by W into 1000. So cancelled. So what does it mean given? That is molecular mass by equivalent mass. We know equivalent mass is how much? Molecular mass by acidity or basicity. Acidity for base and basicity for an acid. So in general we can write that is normality is equals to molarity into n factor. So this is the formula you have to remember. Normality equals to molarity into n factor, where these n factor can be acidity for a base. This can be basicity for an acid. This can be valency, simple valency, or for a salt, or in general simply valency factor, or just we are taking molecular mass by equivalent mass, or number of electrons lost or gained by a oxidizing. Lost means oxidation process, reducing agent or oxidizing agent. So n factor can be these all things. So now on this basis I am solving the question. So first one is what? Normality. So normality is what? A. Normality is equals to molarity into n factor. Molarity is how much? 0.05. 0.05 into n factor is how much? CaOH2. CaOH is a. CaOH2 is a base, and base that is diacidic, or acidity is 2. As OH, how many replaceable OH minus hydroxyl ions? 2. As it is Ca2 plus 2 OH minus. How many OH minus can be replaced? 2. So that's why n factor is 2. That means 0.1 normal. D. Molarity is normality already given. That is what? 0.05. So it can be also 0.1 divided by 2. So 0.05. C. Number of moles. Number of moles means number of moles is nothing but molarity into Vs liter. So that is 0.05 into Vs liter is 0.2. That means 0.01 moles. Similarly, D. Number of millimoles. So millimoles is molarity into Vs milliliter, that is 0.05 into 0.2 into 10 to the power 3, that is 10. So 10 millimoles, which is nothing but into 1000. Now E. Number of gram equivalents. Number of gram equivalent is nothing but normality into Vs liter. Normality is how much? Normality is 0.1 into Vs liter is how much? 0.2. So that's why how much? 0.02 gram equivalents. Number of milli equivalents, that is normality into Vs milliliter, that is 0.1 into milliliter is 0.2 into 10 to the power 3. That means how much? Milli equivalents is 20 milliequivalents. And G, mass is mass of the solid, small w. Small w is nothing but what? Gram equivalent into equivalent mass. So gram equivalent is how much? 0.02 into equivalent mass is 74. Equivalent mass 74 by 2. That means 0.74 gram. 0.01, 0.74 gram. Okay. This is the basics behind normality molarity interrelation. We will study more when we will complete all other modes of concentration. We will study little bit more. That is when we are taking dilution, when we are taking neutralization. So in all of this we will study what will be the interrelation, more and more interrelation in the case of normality and molarity. Up to now, this is the fundamental things. Next is molality. Small m. Molality of a solution is defined as the number of moles of the solute present per kg of the solvent. Per kg of the solvent. So mathematically molality, that equals to number of moles n divided by capital W. Capital W means mass of the solvent, so it is nothing but solvent. So it is the only mode of concentration which is related to solute to solvent. It is the only mode that relates solute to solvent. In all other modes, solute to solution is there, but here it is solute to solvent. So this is in kg, mass of the solvent in kg. Number of moles, so that's why it will be mass by molecular mass divided by capital W kg. So that means W by molecular mass into capital W kg. So that's equal to small w into 1000 divided by molecular mass into capital W gram. This is molality. So what is its unit? Unit is mole per kg, that is mole kg inverse. So I am taking the question. Okay. Let it be, as it is 20% mass volume, W by V percentage means mass volume percentage. So this means solution, solute, solvent. Solution, let it be 100 ml. 100 ml. Solute is how much? 20. That means 20 gram. 100 ml means how much of gram? As the density is 1.05 gram cc, so density is equals to density of the solution is mass of the solution by volume of the solution. So mass of the solution is capital W. So this implies mass of the solution is density into volume. Density is 1.05 into volume is 100. That means 105 gram. So this is nothing but 105 gram. So 105 gram of the solution contains 20 gram of the solute. So solvent is definitely 85 gram. Now, what does it ask? That is molarity. So molarity, that's equals to number of moles by capital W kg. That is W into 1000 by molecular mass into capital W gram. So how does it provide? Calcium carbonate. So calcium carbonate means mass of the solute. Mass of the solute is 20 into 1000 divided by molecular mass of the solute is 100 into mass of the solvent is how much? 85. So how much it is? 5. This is 200. 200 by 85. 200 by 85 means that is 170 plus 30 power 85. This is how much? 2. This is 2. 30 by 85. 30 by 85 means 540. Plus 13. 0.2. Around. So this is 2 plus 0.35, that is 2.35. Closely, not exactly, closely. Molar solution. 1 molar solution means molarity will be equals to 1. Molarity will be equals to 1. That means molarity is what? Number of moles or mass of the solvent in kg. So when it will be 1? When number of moles is 1, number of moles of solute is 1, is dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent. 1 mole of the solute is dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent. Then that solution will be called as 1 molar solution. So molarity equals to 1. Now we are doing another problem. What is molarity? So molarity equals to number of moles per mass of the solvent in kg. Now 360 milligram means 360, that is N is nothing but mass of the solute by molecular mass, that is 360 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by glucose is 180 divided by mass of the solvent in kg. Mass of the solvent in kg means W of kg is how much? It is given, that is we know density of water is equals to 1 gram per cc. As it is 1 gram per cc, so that's why volume of the solution is, volume of water is 750 cc, that is 750 ml. So that's why mass of the water is density into volume, that is 750 gram. So that's why it will be 750 gram means 750 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. So that's why it will be 360 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 180 into how much? 750 into 10 to the power minus 3. So cancelled 2. So that's equals to 2 into 4, 750 into 4, 8 by 300 into 10. That's is equals to 8 by 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. 8 by 3 means 6 plus 2 by 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. That's equals to 2.66 into 10 to the power minus 3. This is the molarity. What is mole fraction? It is obvious that from the name fraction regarding mole. Let it be. I am taking the solution. We are discussing about binary solution. We are discussing about binary solutions. Binary means it has two components. It has two components. What are those components? That is solute plus solvent. Solute plus solvent. So we have already denoted mass related small w, capital W, molar mass small mm, capital Mm, number of moles n, number of moles n. So mole fraction means that is mole fraction of a component in a mixture is its respective number of moles to the total number of moles. Of the mixture. That means we are taking into it is resulting what? Solution. Total number of moles is how much? N plus N. So that's why mole fraction of solute is equals to, that is solute respective number of moles of that component, that is solute का number of moles क्या है? Small n divided by total number of moles is how much? N plus N. Similarly, mole fraction of the solvent is equals to capital N by N plus N. So this is the mole fraction of solute. This is the mole fraction of solvent. From this, we can conclude x of solute plus x of solvent, that is equals to n by n plus n plus capital N by n plus n, that is equals to n plus n by n plus n, that is nothing but equals to 1. So that's why x of solute plus x of solvent, that equals to 1. Let it be. In general, let it be a mixture. इसको you have already discussed. We have already studied this mole fraction part in the 11th gaseous state, that is partial pressure part में पढ़े होंगे. That is mixture. Let it be contains 1, 2, 3. Let it be ith number of components. So this is number of moles N1. This is N2. This has number of moles N3. So it is Ni. Mole fraction. This is Xi, X1, X2, X3, Xi. So in general, xi is what? Xi is equals to ni divided by summation of ni, where I starting from 1. So it is in general, and also that is xi I equals to 1, that equals to 1. So what are the components? That is glucose plus water. How much mass? 90 gram. That means 90 by 180. This is mass, this is number of moles, Wi, Ni. This is 0.5. Water is how much? 720 gram. So 720 by 18, that is 40. So xi, that means mole fraction of glucose, that's equals to 0.5 by 0.5 plus 40. That's equals to how much? 0.5 by 40.5. So this is 5 by 405. So if 5 by 405, then mole fraction of water is, that is 40 by 40.5, or it can be also found out by 1 minus x of glucose, because no other components are present there. That is equals to 1 minus 5 by 405, that is 400 by 405. Moving on to parts per million and parts per billion. What is million? Million means 10 to the power 6, that means 10 lakhs, and 10 to the power 9 means 100 crores. Okay, so this mode of concentration generally useful in those cases in which cases we are needing the expression of the substances, the concentration of the substances which are present in very minute amount or very lower amount, lesser amount. So that's why the substances which are present in tracer amount, less quantities. For example, we can say it as dye industries, for example dye industries, that is color of the solution 100 ppm, or in the case of expression of the concentration of the pollutants, अगर pollutant concentration, क्योंकि pollutant थोड़े भी हो कि भी वो pollute कर सकते हैं ना, so that's why pollutant is present in very lesser amount, may be present in more amount, but if it is present in lesser amount, then we have to express in what? Either ppm or ppb. So for the expression of the concentration of the pollutant or the concentration of the color solution, we use ppm or ppb. What is ppm? So ppm is nothing but million parts per million. So then what is the number of parts of that component present per million parts of the solution? Million parts of the solution means solution का how many parts करेंगे? Million. Million means 10 to the power 6 parts. So total number of parts of the solution divided by 10 to the power 6. So finally, what is ppm? So ppm is number of parts of that component. Which component is present in the solution divided by total number of parts into 10 to the power 6. And similarly for the ppb, number of parts of the component of the, that is I in the solution, divided total number of parts of the solution into 10 to the power 9. Now as it is what? In the numerator is number of parts, in the denominator is number of parts, we are multiplying only a number, so that's why it has no units. Many times it is a fundamental question. Which mode of concentration has no unit? It is also no units, and also mole fraction has also no units. Because mole fraction is the number of moles divided by total number of moles. So that's why it has no units, as well as what? That is ppm or ppb has no units, because this is this part. Then, for example, 100 ppm means we are taking million parts per million, so 10 to the power 6 part में solution का 10 to the power 6 parts में how many parts होगा? 100. So 10 to the power 6 ग्राम में 100 ग्राम होगा. 15 ppm 10 to the power 6 ग्राम of the solution में 15 ग्राम होगा. Right? So this is all about ppm and ppb. Now formality of a solution is defined as now we are moving on to the next mode of concentration, that is formality. What is formality? Formality is nothing but the number of formula units of that solute present per liter of the solution. So mathematically formality number of formula units divided by volume of the solution in liter. Number of formula units means what? Earlier we have seen in normality, that is number of gram equivalent. Number of gram equivalent means mass by equivalent mass. In the molarity, number of moles, that is number of mass of the solute by molecular mass. Here number of formula units means mass of the solute by formula mass divided by Vs liter. I am explaining formula mass is what. Then divided by formula mass into Vs liter. So finally, if it is ml, so formality is equals to W into 1000 divided by formula mass into Vs ml. So this is the formula for formality. What is formula mass? We know about polymer. Let it be, I am taking a substance A. It is present as a dimer. Let it be A2. It is present as a trimer. It is A3. This is trimer. This is trimer. More means what? Unit. So it is consists of 2 units of A. It consists of 3 units of A. Right. So that's why it is a dimer. It is a trimer. Now, if the molar mass of the molar mass of A, that is equals to, let it be 70. So then here it is not the molar mass, it is the formula mass, because it is present in which formula? A2. So formula mass is equals to A, 1 time is 70, so 2 times is 140. Same unit, gram मोल इनवर्स. फॉर्मूला मास का मोलिकुलर मास का यूनिट क्या है? जनरल बेसिस में ग्राम पर मोल, बिकॉज 1 mole of the compound, how much of mass? That is its molar mass. Then its formula mass is 210 gram mole inverse. Now so moving on to question, find out the formality of 0.75 dmq of a solution containing 488 milligram of benzoic acid which is present as a dimer in that solution. Now what is it asking? That is, formality is W into 1000 divided by formula mass into Vs milliliter. So mass is how much? 488 into 10 to the power minus 3 gram, right? Volume of the solution in milliliter is how much? That is 0.75 into 10 to the power 3 milliliter. Formula mass is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid means C6H5COOH. It is present as a dimer. That means C6H5COOH2. Its mass is 84 plus 6. 84 plus 6 plus 32. A 90, 122. Here it is 122. So this is 244. It is molar mass. It is formula mass. Formula mass is 244. So it is 244 gram mole inverse. So that's why formality is equals to mass is how much? 488 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 1000 divided by formula mass is 244 into volume of the solution is 0.75 into 10 to the power 3. So cancelling this is 2 and cancelled. So that is equals to 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 75 into 10 to the power minus 2. Alright, so this is 8 by 300 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 2. So again it is 8 by 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay. Now, after completing this, we are discussing temperature dependency. Many time एंट्रेंस में पूछता है which mode of concentration is temperature dependent or is it independent. So on that basis, temperature dependent and temperature independent. General basis में which modes of concentration will be temperature dependent? The mode of concentration which are volume dependent. जो सब वॉल्यूम डिपेंडेंट है, वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन डिपेंडेंट, those will be temperature dependent. जो सब वॉल्यूम डिपेंडेंट नहीं है, इंडिपेंडेंट है, those will be temperature independent. Like number 1 डिपेंडेंट करें, फर्स्ट वन इज strength, number 2 volume percentage, it is small v by vs percent, volume dependent, ये भी volume dependent. Then mass volume percent, that is small w by vs percent. then normality, molarity, then formality. Here first one और एक percentage बच गया, that is what? Mass percentage, that is small w by capital W is percent. Second one molality, then mole fraction, then ppm, then ppm.